DeepMind and IBM Watson, two of the biggest names in AI research. But which one is truly more cutting edge? The answer isn't as simple as it seems, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI lab is pushing the limits of technology the furthest. Plus, if you're looking for a better AI solution, I'll share an exclusive free trial at the end, so stick around. First, let's talk about DeepMind. Best known for AlphaGo, DeepMind made headlines by defeating world champions in a game that was considered nearly impossible for AI to master. But it didn't stop there. AlphaFold is revolutionizing biology by predicting protein structures with near-perfect accuracy, something scientists have struggled with for decades. However, DeepMind is still heavily research-focused. While its breakthroughs are impressive, practical applications outside of Google's ecosystem are limited. If you're looking for AI tools you can use today, DeepMind's work might feel more like futuristic science than something you can actually leverage. Now, IBM Watson. Unlike DeepMind, Watson is designed for business applications, healthcare, finance, customer service, you name it. Watson's AI helps doctors diagnose diseases, assists financial analysts, and even powers chatbots for major corporations. But here's the problem. IBM overhyped Watson in its early days, making bold claims that it couldn't fully deliver on. While Watson has improved, it hasn't had the same level of groundbreaking impact as DeepMind in AI research. And despite being more accessible for businesses, some users find Watson's tools clunky and overpriced compared to newer AI models. Next thing, innovation speed. DeepMind operates like a cutting-edge research lab, constantly publishing papers and advancing AI theory. IBM Watson, on the other hand, is more product-driven, focusing on AI solutions businesses can actually implement. If we're talking pure technological breakthroughs, DeepMind has the edge. But if you need AI tools for real-world business use today, Watson might be more practical. Another key factor, AI ethics and transparency. DeepMind has faced criticism over privacy concerns, especially regarding its healthcare projects. Meanwhile, IBM Watson has positioned itself as a responsible AI provider, emphasizing transparency and bias reduction. But let's be real, both companies have had their controversies, and no AI system is perfect when it comes to fairness and ethics. So, which is more cutting edge? If we're talking about pushing the boundaries of AI, DeepMind wins. But if you need AI solutions that you can use right now in industries like healthcare or finance, Watson is the more accessible option. That said, both have limitations, whether it's DeepMind's research-first approach or Watson's sometimes underwhelming performance. After testing both, I found a better alternative if you're looking for a truly advanced AI solution that's practical and powerful. You can get an exclusive free trial through the first link in the description, with benefits only available to our viewers. Try it out and see the difference for yourself.